Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Renegade Altitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9986A. Only 5,000 miles in this one owner. Clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Storage bag for the removable skylight roof. Of course, very clean inside and out. No dents or dings in the body. This Altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power roof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Easy to operate touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Compass, and that is where the backup camera display is. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Heating and air conditioning. And 4-wheel drive. Give you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Plenty of storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Renegade has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon and a city average of 29 on the highway. And again, only 5,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.